Kaya pa ba ng Perpetual na manatiling lamang sa laban na ito, at least here in the third set? Sagun, Cases, Guillermo, Sartin, Tikar, back set to Sagun, Cases, Guillermo, Sartin, off the net, Tikar, Sagun.
Oh, good dig.
Great dig by Tubino. Cases!
I think that was Diaz.
Was it Diaz?
It's Cases.
Ano ba si Cases? O sige. Gawin na nating Diaz! Bawi ha?
Okay, pwede.
Bawi.
Pwede.
Tawa-tawa na naman si Denistan. May tinitweet ito si Denistan na mamaya mababasa ko malamang. Sartin, Guillermo de la Paz is turned back by Balse.
Such a smart block, no?
Right.
Di parang pinangle na, pinposition niya sa walang tao.
Wala na tao doon. 17-12. Balse trying to lead the comeback. Cases, Guillermo, Diaz right down the middle. Nice dig by Bautista. Henson, Guillermo, Sartin. Nice block there by Salamagos. Oh! That is a strange error coming from the setter of Perpetual.
And of course, the nerve setting in
Right.
for this very young setter.
And Guillermo. Nice serve by Ging Balse.
Right, it's a service there. They needed that from
Right.
actually Arellano, because they have been committing a lot of errors.
Better reception this time from Perpetual. Wow, paano natira ni Diaz yun?
Well, the coach of Arellano saying na sa labas ng antena.
Oo. Sartin, Bautista, Picar. And that shot is going to be wide from Henson. 18-14. Mukhang gising na nga itong Perpetual.
They got the groove.
April Sartin now to serve.
Do you want to know how many unforced errors Arellano has? 10.
Oh,
1 ang Perpetual.
wow. In this set, ha? At that time, nakakuha naman ang attack point si Elaine Sagon. 18-15. But despite that, tatlo lang ang kalamangan dito. Nitong Perpetual.
Well, kasi for Arellano naman, they still lead in terms of attacks, but they're really just down because of their errors. Another one.
That's another one right there. It's 11 errors now. 19-15. Jane Diaz. Hindi sure si Ibiza, kaya nilaro na niya yun. Balse, Condada. Guillermo has to attack. Ibiza, Tikar, Bautista, and Mark. Yes!
Tough angle for Nene Bautista.
Totally unmarked siya dito eh. May humabol na defender, pero teka muna. Alam niyo na kung saan pupunta yan. Hindi sa inyo yan.
Talaga you can see, no? Nakita na yung two blockers. Talaga she found that angle.
Condada on the reception. Here's Cases now. Tikar. Nice block there coming from De La Paz. Balse tracking it down. Bautista. And Cases. What a dig. Tikar going to the other side already. Cases. Wala si Tikar doon.
Walang tao.
2016. Look at this. Asa na nga?
Nobody.
Parating pa lang si Tikar.
No, obviously in that place, Salamagos was moving back, and di pa nag-spike tong Perpetual, so
Right.
no blockers.
Nene, binawi. Palitan na tayo dito. Beltran comes in for Salamagos.
Still anyone's set. This one, 17-20.
Here's Tubino, hindi naabot.
So Perpetual also lapsing into errors.
Dalawa na lang ang abante rito ng Lady Altas. Time out for Perpetual.
Puntos tayo. Lamang tayo open sa o.
Tara. Palaga namin lang. Pagkita namin to. Alas pa. Hey, Perpetual!
2018 ang kalamangan dito ng Perpetual. If they win this third set, na-deflate na ba yung Arellano? Hindi pa naman, di ba?
Well, siyempre, the other players, no? But, you know, the likes of Sagun, Bautista, Balse, of course, they still fight it out.
Cases,
Walang
Sagun.
demoralized.
Right. Bautista, Condada. That is demoralizing. Isa na lang ang abante ngayon ng Perpetual. Bautista playing very well.
Talagang now there's a surge, no, in Bautista's
Oo.
game.
Cases. Picar. Balse. Up. Ging. Nahaplos ang net.
That's right, net violation.
21-19. Perpetual. 4 points away from setting us for a fourth set. Good serve. Picar. Balse dropping it in again.
So smart.
Again, you gotta give half the credit to the orchestrating na ginagawa rin to si Dayan Picar. Finding the veterans time and time again.
And you know, actually, malapit na sa net yung
Right.
ball, but she's able to make two.
Now Sartin. Picar. Henson!
Wow, we are tied.
Inunti-unti talaga ito. The biggest lead was at 7 points. Inunti-unti na naman. Ng Arellano. Bautista.
Wow, wicked serve.
Another one, right? Sartin. Picar. Balse. Guillermo. Diaz. Sartin. Henson. Bautista back row.
Oh, where did that come from?
That was a back row attack.
Woo!
Nerissa Bautista. Nerissa Bautista now serving. Turning back the hands of time
Oh,
siguro.
tsaka out of
Ito na
nowhere.
naman. Ibiza. Picar. Balse. Tubino. Picar. Off the block. Played there by Cases. Diaz. Sartin. Yes. This is not yet over for Perpetual.
Of course, you know, this is the front line that Perpetual likes. You have Tubino, Sartin, Diaz.
Right.
So they gotta take advantage of itong front line. Kasi you can sense parang
Yeah.
yung momentum, nag-shift lang naman yan sa set na to eh.
Good serve there by Guillermo. In fact, it's an ace. So the lead now goes back to Perpetual.
Anybody's set again.
Natin kung back-to-back ito para kay Guillermo. Ibiza. Bautista. Balse. Nice take by Condada. Banggaan, Sartin, Guillermo. Free ball from Diaz. Henson. Picar down the middle. Masyado mataas yung tapik ni King Balse. Diaz. Blocked by Balse. Sagun. Picar. Across ngayon to Henson.
Oh, nice effort by the blockers of Perpetual, pero Arellano gets that point.
And now let's see if Dayan Ticar can close it out on her serve. But before that, timeout for the Lady Altas.
Striker mo, di ba? Pasok mo sa open, at in-over mo, pangalawa pa lang yun eh.
Harap niya. Wala akong dulo.
Ikaw, kita ka.
Nakakita ko ba yan? Hindi na makakabalik yung dalawa.
3, 4, 2. Ha?
Lima, receive ha. Receive. Nasa likod. Receive muna, receivean muna ha.
Hey, Fernandez!
So we are tied at 23. Who wants it more? Yan na naman ang katanungan dito, Noringo.
Well, of course, if you're Arellano, you want to finish it, pero Perpetual,
I don't know about this move ngayon. Bringing in Argarin when Guillermo has done a great job throughout this third set.
well, of course, the confidence of the coaching staff for the veteran
Right.
is something we have to respect.
Ticar now to serve.
Oh,
Good one from Dayan Ticar.
that ace totally negates all her service
Yan,
errors.
kanina, tatlong service error. So now, Dayan Ticar for the match.
Whoa.
Contada, that was almost a collision. Tubino! Now it's a race to 26.
Well, Tubino is not gonna go down without fighting, but bad news for the Perpetual, the Perps. Tubino in the back,
Ah,
but nalabas, you know. She has
bumalik.
been playing well for the Perps.
andyan pa rin naman si Diaz sa harapan and Sartin. Ticar cannot get it going. Now it is set point for Perpetual.
Well, this, Perpetual has been targeting Henson
Right.
in this third set.
Timeout Arellano. Tubino, the captain. Ticar. Balse. Nice dig by Argarin. Sartin. Ticar. Balse. Yes! 25 all.
So you know that Balse, gusto na tapusin.
Oo, mahirap na umabot ng fourth set ito. Beltran out, Salamagos back in.
So, if you're for Arellano, meron kayong mga locals to try to finish out this match.
Right. Cases, Argarin pushes it across. Dayan Ticar, back set. Sagun, Sartin. Argarin. Sartin.
Oh!
26-25, set point.
Much to the delight of Coach Jason Sapin.
And now April Sartin to send us to a fourth set.
Good serve.
Ticar, combination play. Condada. Here comes Cases. Ticar, Henson.
Here comes Casas
And
again.
Cases sends us to the fourth set. They had to fight off one match point actually kanina. So 27-25 ang ating score sa pagtatapos itong ating fourth set. Shaking play. Ang dami natin pagpipilian dito na rin.
But they're back. We've talked about Perpetual and Cases leading the charge, going to a fourth set.